The proliferation of industrial Ethernet offers improved connectivity for robotics, machinery, motion and drives, and automation control equipment. To support this, installers need reliable and durable RJ45 connectors that can be quickly installed in the field. TE Connectivity RJ45 field installable cable connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, are IP20 rated industrial Ethernet connectors that are easy to use and can be installed without special tooling, significantly reducing installation time. They feature a robust copper zinc alloy shield material and a polyamide housing that mates with standard RJ45 sockets. The connectors are offered in straight and right-angle versions to accommodate different installation locations. They're designed for use with shielded twisted pair Cat5e cabling and support speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. The connectors are rated for 60 volts and 1.5 amps per contact, and for operation from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius.